Hi loves, this is Sinyoung from Lémore PD. Welcome to our highly requested anti-aging Gua Sha facial massage routine. This routine will help you feel and look younger from the inside out. We promise if you do this routine once a day, everyone will notice how great you look. I am in my 30s and people still think I am 16 or 18. Without much ado, let's begin. First, we recommend prepping your clean skin with some sort of lubrication to provide a nice smooth glide for your Gua Sha tool. For me, I use this facial oil from Youth to the People. I've been loving this facial oil, and in the description below, you will find the link to this product. With a clean Gua Sha tool, we will work our way up starting from our chest area with 2 swipes per section. A lot of our aging show from the lower half of the face, so we will make sure to work our chest and neck areas as well. Placing your tool parallel to 45-degree angle to your skin like so, we will sweep up and out like this, wiggle at the edge. One more here, like this, in a light to medium pressure, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge, helping to release a lot of the tension we carry on our shoulder joints here. And switch. Sweeping up and out and wiggle at the edge like so. We'll do one more, parallel to 45-degree angle, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge like so. Release. Now we will work our neck area. Using this edges of our Gua Sha tool here, we will place it like so, parallel to 45, and at the edge, wiggle. We carry a lot of tension along the edges of our face, so this helps release that. And we'll do one more here, parallel to 45-degree angle, sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge, release. We'll do the side next to it here, like so, placing your toe like this, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. One more, like so, wiggle at the edge. Switch, we'll do the other side here, like this, same thing, placing your toe like this, sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. We'll do one more here, like this, addressing the necklines and neck sagging as well. And the side next to it, like so. Wiggling at the edge, release. One more swipe, like this. Wiggle at the edge, release. Now we will do under our chin here. For that, we'll do this edge of the Gua Sha tool, placing it like so, and sweep it up and out, wiggle at the edge. This is a nice acupressure point, so gently applying pressure here, release. One more, like this, shaping up our jawline as well. Release. We'll do the other side. Same thing here, like this. Sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. We'll do one more, like this. Wiggling at the edge. Release. For our lower cheek and addressing marionette lines, we're going to place our tool from the center, like this. Sweep it up and out, like so. One more, like this. Sweeping it up and out, wiggle at the edge. Release. We'll do the other side from the center, parallel to 45. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. One more here, like this, sweeping it up and out, wiggle at the edge. Release. Now we will place our tool more diagonal, like this, and sweep up and out, addressing the nasolabial folds and the cheek sagging here. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. One more, like this, wiggle at the edge. Now we'll do the other side, like this, diagonal, and addressing our lines along the lips, the mouth, and a cheek lift. One more, like this. Wiggle at the edge. Now, from the side of our nose here, we're going to work our upper cheek area, like this, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. One more, like so, wiggling at the edge. Breathing here, coming back to our breath and our body. We'll do the other side, like this, from the side of our nose, sweeping out all the congestion here, wiggle at the edge. One more, like so, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. Release. Now we'll do our eye area here. You want to use light, gentle pressure, like this, using this edge, like so. Sweep up and out, addressing crow's feet. And on our temporalis muscle, you can apply a little bit more pressure if you would like. And we'll do one more here, like this, sweeping out any puffiness, under eye circles, the crow's feet, and acupressure on your temples here. Now we'll do our upper eye, like this. Give a nice upper eye lift, and at the edge, a little bit higher than the previous, we'll apply acupressure. This is a nice headache relief as well. Release. One more, like this, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. We'll do the other side. Nice, gentle pressure for your eyes, and you can use your hand like this for leverage. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge on your temporalis muscle. One more here, like this. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. Coming back to your posture here, lengthen your spine, pull up your pelvic floor. And we'll do the upper eye now, like this, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. We'll do one more, like this, nice upper eye lift, and wiggle at the edge here. This is really great for hooded eyes. This really helps open up your eyes. Release. And now we're going to gently use our hands like this and address the lines here. So we're going to place the tool like this, sweep up like this, wiggle at the edge of your hairline. Do one more like this. And we'll do the side next to it like this. Wiggle at the edge of your hairline. Do one more like this, wiggle at the edge. Now we'll do the other side here. So placing your hands like this, like so, and sweep up and out, wiggling. One more, like so. This is a nice eyebrow lift and forehead lift. We'll do the side next to it, like so. Wiggle at the edge of your hairline. One more. Release. Now we will use our tool like this from our upper lip, like this. It looks funny. And we're going to sweep up like so. Wiggle at the edge, like this. As we get older, our nose tends to sag as well, so this helps address that. Like this. Lifting. And wiggle at the edge. Release. Now we will use this edge of the Gua Sha tool to apply acupressure between our eyebrows like this. This feels so relaxing for your nervous system. Open up your shoulders here, just breathe. let it all go. Release. And now we're going to sweep it all down towards our heart for the lymphatic drainage. Like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Other side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now we will tap it all in to boost the circulation, the brightness of your skin, and the lymphatic drainage. For your Gua Sha tool, you can wash it with warm water and soap for your next anti-aging Gua Sha facial massage. You should notice positive results with more lifting, brightening, and toning effects from the first time, especially if you just do one side of your face. If you want to see and maintain longer lasting results, we recommend doing this routine once a day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and join our membership for more videos like this. Thank you for your support. Take care, stay hydrated, and God bless you, my loves. Bye bye.